turn left further up towards Chennai. We're in the midst of a political rally, I think. Sir, Amadya Hotel Podago. Left to Tirbi left. There we are, Amadya Hotel. On our right. कैसे हो? जोसेफ, जीशान, एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास लग रहा है।
टीवी का चमत्कार है।
नहीं ये आपका है। माशाअल्लाह।
It's like a Rajnikant, all in one.
Rajnikant. That tawa is like a Rajnikant. That's what Shishan says. It's an all in one. Flavor. यहाँ क्या बन रहा है?
ये मटन बिरयानी निकल रहा है और वो मटन ग्रेवी है।
मटन ग्रेवी है।
ये चिकन बिरयानी के लिए मसाला बन रहा है।
So we have the keema here. We have the kidney here, right here. Some paya and some liver. No, bus.
Look at the softness of the meat. Look at the softness. So soft.
I want to get Joe's reaction. Joe.
Wow, the meat is just so good.
So we stopped a little longer than we usually would have. And this is why our ETA at Vani Ambadi is now become 11 a.m. as opposed to the original 10 a.m. The coffee, the filter coffee, the podi idli and the conversation has resulted in that, but I think we enjoyed every bit of it. Even the conversation with people. It's always nice to have people come up and say that they love the show, they enjoy the show, and the fact that people are actually driving out distances just to explore the food that we have explored on the show. It always makes me feel nice, feel special. We turn left further up towards Chennai. kilometers. I want to get there someday soon to film Gourmet on the Road. You know, 2020 is a year when we had to put all our travel plans on hold. In 2019, we began Gourmet on the Road, broadcast our first episode in April 2019. We did Mangalore, then we went to Hyderabad, we did Mysuru, we did Kerala, we did Kozhikode. And so the idea was to, every month or two, travel out, explore a new destination. And by now, we should have ideally done at least about 3 or 4 states, in addition to those in the south. But then, man proposes and God disposes. So we had to alter our plans. So in a manner of speaking, that's also allowed us to explore destinations closer home, which we perhaps would have never gotten to. planning that we see, that we had the opportunity to really explore food in depth, to explore these smaller eateries, and also help them tremendously in the current situation. So I think everything happens for a reason. When it's happening, you may not realize it, and you may be a little upset, a little frustrated, but then it all pans out. It all works out. So whenever you're in a situation that's new, that's making you uncomfortable, I personally believe it's because there's something else that's planned for us, and that we should learn to embrace it, and that's what I try and do. Although it may be difficult initially, but when I look back at things, I'm so happy with the way things have panned out, even in this 2020. A beautiful road all the way to Chennai. at Ahmadiyya in 2 minutes. Political rally, I think. Sir, Ahmadiyya Hotel podavo. Left, tirpi left. Thank you. Those railway crossing there. So we take a bit of a detour. Ahmadiyya Hotel. On our right, कैसे हो जोसेफ? जीशान थोड़ा लेट हो गया।
नहीं सर, नो इश्यू।
हम रुके वहाँ मुरुगन पे।
अच्छा अच्छा, मुर्गन इडली।
हाँ तो बहुत लोग मिले वहाँ पे। एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास लग रहा है।
टीवी का चमत्कार है।
नहीं नहीं, ये आपका है। माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया लग रहा है एकदम। नाइट का वो शॉट देखा मैंने।
जी जी, भेजा।
हाँ एकदम ब्लू कलर आता है ना, लाइक
7 कलर्स भी आते हैं।
7 कलर। नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस। So he has LED है ना?
हाँ, LED।
So he changes 7 colors in the night.
Wow.
So जोसेफ हमारे बहुत अच्छे एक दोस्त हैं।
जी जी
काफी बड़े फूड लवर है ये।
जी जी।
ఏం సార్?
वंडी रेट है।
वंडी रेट 20
20
Thankfully Zishan is allowed, has arranged for some parking here. Always a bit of a challenge otherwise. So when you come here, you can either park in the bus stand right there, or if you're on a two-wheeler, you can park here. So we're at Ahmadiyya with Zishan, whose father began Ahmadiyya.
Yeah, he is also coming to meet you.
He's also coming.
Yeah.
ये 75 है ना?
1975 में।
1975. So just now 46th birthday हो गया.
46 2 days before ही हुआ था। 46
So this has completed 46 years here.
जी।
And so this is a restaurant that began by his father. So we have a full video on Ahmadiyya. So if you haven't caught it yet, you'll find the link in the description.
जी।
But today we've come here. क्या है आज?
आइए, चिकन बिरयानी, मटन बिरयानी, किडनी, लिवर, पाया, कीमा, ब्रेन फ्राई पूरा है।
I think we have to spend 2 घंटे का प्रोग्राम बनाना है यहाँ पे।
इंशाल्लाह। वीडियोस।
Ah. So that's an old video that he's got playing right there. Find a link in the description. Take a look at it to get a sense of what Ahmadiyya, the food at Ahmadiyya is all about. नमस्ते, कैसे? खाने के बाद चाय पियेंगे, कड़क चाय। हाँ?
1975.
1975.
The year I was born.
So that's what the place looked like in 1975.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like now. एकदम posh.
Last time when you came, it was not the same.
It was like that. एकदम posh हो गया. So he's done up the decor. लेकिन खाना वैसे ही है ना. That's important. The place may change its cosmetic appeal, but the food,
But kitchen remains the same.
it will remain the same. उसमें वो energy होती है. कैसे हो? हाँ? Brother नो?
हाँ जी जी.
हाँ.
How many brothers?
We are 3 brothers.
3 brothers.
आपका नाम?
Uwais.
उमेश. हाँ. आप? हर्षान. Brother.
Second, third. अभी first year college में hotel catering.
कहाँ पे?
तिरछी पे पढ़ना है.
Fantastic.
मधुरई में तिरछी.
So first generation began Ahmadiyya. Second generation is taking it forward.
Opening our branch at highway itself next to Sai Sangeet.
अच्छा साई
Next
संगीत.
year we have done project is going and
तो ले लिया जगह.
it's about 20,000 square feet. It's a big restaurant.
नमस्ते, कैसे हो आप?
आप किसे
बस ठीक हो. बिरयानी बन रहा है. वुड फायर बिरयानी.
Good fired, huh?
हाँ, see you can see the wood here. They use tamarind wood. Tamarind wood.
Tamarind road.
कैसे हो? क्या बन रहा है आज?
ये खट्टा ब्रिंजल कर रही है.
हाँ,
वो
okay.
पूरा हमारा कोल्स पे ही होता है, गैस
Coal
पे
से
नहीं
बन
है.
रहा है. So everything is made wood fired here. Even the tawa is wood fired. यहाँ क्या बन रहा है?
ये मटन बिरयानी निकल रहा है और वो मटन ग्रेवी है.
मटन ग्रेवी है.
ये चिकन बिरयानी के लिए मसाला बन रहा है.
Interesting, even the
Parota. Huh?
even the tower is good fired. Huh?
Everything is wood fired here. Joe is quite fascinated with all the wood fires.
Yeah, man, I've seen wood-fired pizzas, but not the wood-fired biryani.
Wood fired paratha even. Wood fired parota.
That's Tava we made paratha, dosa, chicken dosa. It's like a Rajnikant, all in one.
Rajnikant. That tawa is like a Rajnikant. That's what Shishan says. It's an all-in-one. Flavor. Super star. There's some brain I think has been boiled already and kept, which will then go into the tawa to make that bheja tawa fry. So in the episode that we did on Ahmadiyya, you will find a detailed kitchen tour. So do look up that
Kitchen भी
episode.
extend किया सर मैं और उधर एक kitchen है अभी.
एक और क्या है? आपका तो ये 5 स्टार हो गया. हाँ? अरे क्या बना रहे हो? कबाब? क्या है? चिकन? ग्रिल चिकन.
और ये अल्फाम रेडी हो रहा है, बारबेक्यू के लिए रेडी हो रहा
अल्फाम.
है, तंदूरी रेडी हो रहा है.
तंदूरी रेडी हो रहा है. तो ये नहीं एक्सपेंड किया.
हम एक्सपेंड किया है.
गुड, अच्छा है. So last time we came, the kitchen was a little smaller. Now he has
2 चूल्हा था, 4 चूल्हा है.
4 चूल्हा हो गया. वेरी गुड. तो अच्छा चल रहा है.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. अभी आए थे
हाँ.
तो फिर बोले आज मैं मिलके जाऊंगा, आने से फोन करो मिलके.
Oh, very good. कैसे उनका सेहत कैसा
अभी
है?
अच्छा है.
Nice to just be in the AC. But then when we leave now and we have to ride in the sun, well, that will be something else. Find Zishan and his family extremely warm. I think these are the sort of people you will call. If you call in the middle of the night even and say, Zishan bhai main kal aa raha hu, he will get up probably at 4 in the morning and go out and do something different.
मटन खीमा,
Mutton keema,
मटन किडनी,
kidney,
गुर्दा है,
gurda,
मटन पाया.
mutton paya, trotter के
पूरा
साथ.
छोटा थोड़ा लाया.
ठीक है.
God bless you.
Very good. So we have the keema here. We have the kidney here, right here. Some paya and some liver.
Kaleji is liver
Kaleji is, yeah.
and brain is
Brain is bheja.
beja.
That's the liver.
That's the kidney.
Kidney. The gurda. Take the keema as well.
My
Bheja.
God, there's a lot to try.
Paya.
Pie is something which you said I should definitely try.
Yeah. क्या है ये? मटन है चिकन है?
सर काढ़ा
खाड़ा है, हाँ, quail. Thank you. This is a quail. You should definitely try it. Very special here.
No space in the plate. I'll take the gravy. No, only the gravy. Yeah, thanks, man.
बिरयानी भी आ गया. बिरयानी, मटन बिरयानी.
Quail is awesome.
Quail is my favorite dish also. Last time try किया था मैंने वो quail एकदम बढ़िया था.
मटन कीमा है सर.
मटन कीमा. इसमें फैट कितना डालते हो आप?
रहता है सर 70-30 रहता है.
The कलेजी. Some kidney as well. Brain pepper fry.
That is amazing. Huh?
How's it?
Incredible.
This was my favorite last time when I
Really?
tasted.
Very different flavor.
Yeah.
Very unique.
What I like here is the spicing that goes into the gravies.
It's not spicy, it's flavor.
So it's a spice that comes from the spices, not the chili spice.
Yeah, that's different. You know,
I want to begin with that keema.
keema is so good. It melts in your mouth.
That's because of the fat to the meat ratio. So you need to also have that keema with a bit of that parota, because I think that keema is also a bit loaded in its saltiness. So when you have it with the parota, yeah. See, even that liver that we're tasting, you're tasting the meat, you're tasting the flavor of the meat.
Absolutely. No, even if there are about 4 to 5 dishes here, there are gravies with it, but every dish has its unique flavor.
Has its own character.
Whether it is liver, kidney or the brain, and especially the keema and the quail.
So it's a combination of two things. One is, so it's a garam masala that they use, so I think there are also secret spices. And second is the hands that cook the dishes. Nahin? Aapka naam?
Madhi.
Madhi.
I am the in charge and manager.
In charge and manager. Nice to meet you, Madhi.
Thank you.
Let's taste some of that kidney. Gurda.
एकदम बढ़िया है.
नहीं सुबह
Even the kidney, sometimes if the kidney is not cooked well, वो थोड़ा वो ammonia का smell आता है. But this
Perfect
is
texture.
beautiful.
जी.
Perfect texture.
अभी सुबह भी चेन्नई से ये राइडर्स आए थे सर.
हाँ.
ये बाइक में मैं आपका नाम बोलते ही पहचान लिए.
Rocket, Triumph Rocket, Triumph का group है. So Zishan is quite famous here. So as you can see, and I think after the video, he's been.
बाइकर से वीकेंड में हमेशा आते हैं अभी. चेन्नई बैंगलोर का मीटअप इधर करते हैं.
आपको अभी एक बाइकिंग का एक जोन लगाना पड़ेगा.
जी उसके लिए
सब गाड़ी.
Motorbike parking.
Motorbike parking area. सब लोग आएगा.
Some of that beja, the beja pepper fry है ना ये?
ये आप लास्ट टाइम ट्राई नहीं किया सर ये हमारा.
ठीक है.
क्या है?
ये
डोसा.
कीमा डोसा है.
कीमा डोसा.
मटन कीमा डोसा, चिकन डोसा.
आज तो यार जीशान ये हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
ये ब्रेकफास्ट में रहता है 6 to 11 o'clock.
6 to 11.
11 पे रहता है.
हाँ.
और ब्रेकफास्ट में बाइकर्स का क्राउड रहता है. सिर्फ ये डोसा इसके लिए. वी 4 o'clock को दुकान ओपन होकर रेडी. सेम आइडिया पॉम बोलते हैं. सेम है और ये मटन कीमा डोसा इडली के साथ पाया. और
6 in the morning.
ऐसे वो याद है. अभी बोल रहे हैं हमारे जो कैशियर बॉय रहते हैं 5 बजे आके बोलते भाई दुकान खुल गया क्या नाश्ता दो. हम ट्रैवल कर रहे थे देख के आ गए करके और वीडियोस देख के. और डेली 10 से 15 आदमी तो आपको पूछ के जाते हैं और बोलते हैं बढ़िया था सर जैसे बोले वैसा था. आने पर वर्थ फॉर एवरी पेनी बोल के जाते हैं.
वर्थ फॉर एवरी पेनी. दैट्स बिकॉज जीशान मियाँ असली खाना देते हैं यहाँ पे.
हमारा क्या है सर. तो
जो यू मस्ट ट्राई दिस ब्रेन.
I'm taking more.
दैट ब्रेन इज सुपर.
ये सब थोड़ा लिमिटेड मिलता है सर इधर. अभी
I think brain the best is that it's so soft and flavorful.
इधर 40-50 बकरा वानियम बड़ी में कटता है तो भेजा सब इधर आ जाता है. तो जो लिमिटेड वहाँ तक रहता खाली हो जाता फिर नहीं रहता हमारे पास. हम बाहर से नहीं मंगाते सिर्फ जो बस इधर का है वही.
वानियम बड़ी का जो है.
वानियम बड़ी का.
तो आपको पता है वो बकरा कैसा है.
जी जी.
बकरा देख के वो कटवाते हो. So but the brain is super soft. The brain is super soft, super creamy.
I think he also knows what type of spices or masalas has to go for that particular type of protein.
Yeah.
Like brain with pepper. That brings about the flavor so well. The same way with keema, the kind of spices you've used takes the flavor to a next level, you know, and enhances the flavor. Just brilliant.
You're right. See, brain can also have a slightly stronger flavor. So, but he's got the curry leaf with that.
Yeah.
So that curry leaf balances that out.
वो लास्ट टाइम में कस्टमर ऊपर बात कर रहे थे कहीं यहाँ पे कोई का एक केस है नाम बता कभी ये लगा कि कहीं एक रेस्टोरेंट गए थे सिर्फ 15,000 रुपये का खा के आए करके डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला था करके कस्टमर बात कर रहे हैं कहीं कभी करी वाला की
करावली
हाँ करावली करके कुछ बात कर रहे थे ऐसा क्या 15,000 रुपये का खा के आए थे करके
The keema you use in the dosa.
Yes, same keema will put. Same keema will put in this.
But I think they dry it up a bit.
Yeah. थोड़ा
सूखा
में ड्राई करा के डाल देते हैं और इसमें अंडा एग डालते हैं एग पेपर डाल के डोसा में.
See, this is again the keema. Imagine if I order a keema dish and then you order a dosa with keema, you still have unique flavors for both.
This is another dish that I really loved the last time I was here, and that's what we're going to be tasting next.
Fresh lime, sweet and sour.
All have the flavor of that garam masala in that. Huh? You can taste that star anise.
It's amazing. I'm going to eat.
I love this. This whale has a bit of the spices, man. There is a bit of the chili spice that you feel.
Yeah.
I'm going to taste some of that dosa now. But since we're in Tamil Nadu, dosai, and this is a keema dosa. There's also some anda there, some egg there. Joe, go for more of it though.
Yeah, I'm going to taste this.
Have I taken all the keema?
No, man. This is brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you.
And the dosa is nice and crispy around the edges.
Perfect.
The liver is slightly tough today, but for me that the way they cooked the kidney today, the gurda, was just fantastic. You should try this, Joe.
Can try it. Wow, it's a feast.
And this kidney fat, Joe, is also the fat that they add to kebabs. That kidney fat that you see there is the fat that they add to kebabs because that is the...
This one?
Yeah. That's a very flavorful... Just taste that fat. When they do the kakori kebab, that's the fat that gets added to it. Very rich, very flavorful. And this is sort of fat that will just melt away. So when they're doing a good kakori, this is the fat that they use, the fat that's around the kidney.
I'm having it for the first time.
But for me, I think the way he's cooked that kidney is just brilliant. There's none of that slightly ammonia kind of what flavor that you get if the kidney is not cooked well, not cleaned well.
Full man. This is something I learned today. The kakori.
The kidney fat. That fat is the texture of marrow. So Joe, what was your highlight so far?
For me, I think the quail, I find the a unique character. I just loved it. That was a surprise for me. And the brain.
And the brain, the beja.
Beja was. I think how the kind of spices they put in enhance the flavor so much. Even the texture is so good.
Yeah.
Sometimes they could overcook and it get harder. Perfect. And even the keema, man. I think keema is just brilliance.
I think the keema also has a sweetness, the savory sweetness of the onions. No, buzz, Ishan.
Look at the softness of the meat. Look at the softness. So soft.
I want to get Joe's reaction. Joe.
Wow, the meat is just so good. It's an art, as much as science to cook the meat well.
Yeah.
You're right, this is with basmati.
With basmati. So typically in the south, a lot of them use a siraga samba, but out here They do a pakki akhni, so basically they cook the meat gravy first and then they steam the rice to a certain point and then they layer it over the akhni.
It's not so much the masala, but I think the flavor.
Yeah.
Both the rice as well as the meat.
मेन मटन नहीं है सर, ज़्यादा जाता है और सब बोलते हैं मेल्ट इन द माउथ. मेल्ट इन द माउथ.
Melt in the mouth.
Yeah, it really melts in your mouth. It's not tough at all.
What I like about the biryani here is that it's very mellow in its flavors.
Yeah.
This is not a biryani that will grip hold of your palate.
Imagine after.
एकदम प्यार मोहब्बत से आता है ये बिरयानी आप. And also, you know, although it's mellow in the manner in which it greets your palate, that biryani has enough depth of flavor, which is why you're still registering the flavor despite eating all these gravies. And that is his spice mix, which he will never give away. That piece of meat is soft.
एक बैंगलोर में खोलो.
नहीं सर, इधर ही बोर ओवर करें.
आप इधर ही करो आप वानियम्बाड़ी में. ज़्यादा नहीं खोलना.
नहीं सर.
ऐसे करो कि ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ आए तो ज़्यादा स्पेस बनाओ. यहाँ पे हाईवे पे आप खोल रहे हो तो ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. लेकिन
टारगेट वही है सर, हाईवे का ही है. नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह.
That's a good idea. The meat is just brilliant.
ये पोटला है ना.
हाँ.
मेल गोट. और कितना 10-12 किलो कितने किलो का है?
मैक्स 10 kg.
मैक्सिमम 10 किलो का गोट है.
एक बिरयानी 5 पीस 1 किलो कितना बिरयानी?
तो यहाँ पे गल जाता है थोड़ा.
वरना पप्पा जी को रात में जाएंगे.
But that's interesting. So अगर बड़ा ऑर्डर है तो आप थोड़ा बड़ा पीस तो बनते वो थोड़ा गल जाता है. फिर भी वो मीट दिखता है.
वो जो वेट का हिसाब रहता है 1 kg राइस 8 kg, उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं रहता. तो व्हीकल्स का आपको बहुत इधर बैंगलोर के तो सर अभी माशाल्लाह मैं तो जब देखता हूँ तो जो भी आते हैं वही बोला. तो ये हफ्ता तो संडे किधर जाना है, ट्रिपल सर का वेट कर रहे हैं. जिधर बोलेंगे उधर जाएंगे करके ऐसा ट्रेंडिंग हो गया.
नहीं वो तो मतलब मैं हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ कि मैं शायद थोड़ा स्पॉटलाइट डालता हूँ लेकिन काम सब आपका है, इसलिए आते हैं. अगर मैं बोलूँ किसको जाओ वहाँ पे और अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर से वापस नहीं आएंगे वो लोग.
एक कस्टमर तो कार भेज के मंगा के गया सर बिरयानी, आके ड्राइवर को भेज के बिरयानी लेके गया था.
So he's just a channel for you.
I'm just a
more people
platform.
knowing.
Yeah.
But ultimately the food is what brings you in.
अभी कौन करता है सर, अभी धुन के आके करना ये बड़ी बात है ना.
मैं बहुत वेला हूँ. एक तो खाना है और वो ऊपर आपका मोहब्बत है जीशान भाई. Yesterday I told him 2 people, सर और बुलाओ, और लोगों को बुलाओ. ऐसे आजकल लोग इतना बिजी हो गए.
मेरे पास 25 से 30 नंबर ऐसा है सर बेंगलोर का. मैं ट्रिपल सर कस्टमर रेगुलर हो गया है. और मैं कॉन्टेक्ट से सेव करके रख लिया. वो जब भी पास करते फ़ोन सर थोड़ा हाईवे पे ला के दे दो, वरना रिकमेंड करते हैं हमारे दोस्त आ रहे हैं, भाई आ रहे हैं, उसके लिए मेरे इसके लिए आप उनका नाम डाल के साथ में ब्रैकेट में ट्रिपल सर कस्टमर करके.
I also like that some of the meat here. So you got pieces that are extremely soft, and there's some that is probably clung to the side of the deg. So that has its own crust, slightly brown crust.
Lot of good food.
हाँ ये कनाडा से वो कनाडा में देख के यहाँ पे आए थे. मेरे को उन्होंने ये किया था, मैसेज किया था. डेविड थॉमस है उनका नाम.
और वो भी पूरा मैसेज करते रहते क्या जीशान भाई कैसा है, आपका बिरयानी आते ही खाऊंगा करके एक आए कि एक मैसेज डाल देते.
हमारा शायद वीडियो देख के आते हैं लेकिन आपका खाना खाने के बाद आपका दोस्त बन के जाते हैं. I think that's the magic.
Absolutely.
That's the magic.
Every dish is good. Every dish.
और थोड़ा
So how many? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one. 10 dishes. There are 10 of them.
So that's also sometimes my worry, Joe, when I promote some of these smaller places, right?
You shouldn't.
I don't want, I mean, they're grateful for the business, but I don't want it to take away from the soul. So when I went and tasted it, it's something else, but then maybe, so let's say a place which is used to handling maybe 100 people. Suddenly if they get 1,000 people, how will they handle it? They don't have the ability to scale up. And that's what sometimes, it's a catch-22. And that's where also the second channel now comes into play. So where some of these places where I cannot, because if I spotlight it in the main channel, they'll get overrun. So I'll put it in the second channel where they'll still get a lot of exposure, but maybe they'll be able to handle it.
Very true.
Real honest food is in places like these, absolutely. Because there's no pretense, there's nothing. So what he will feed you will be the same that he feeds somebody else.
Absolutely.
You know, which is what I like. I like the realism in places like these.
And you didn't find any deviation in taste from the time 8 months back you came to
Like for example, when I taste that, you know, I still remember the fragrance of the flavor in that garam masala. You know, you can taste the star anise and all of that. And that's the whole point, right? So they have their masalas, they have their spices spot on. Spot on.
इसमें भूल गया लास्ट टाइम.
Let me taste the firni.
Was it? ये मैंने नहीं टेस्ट किया. लास्ट टाइम मीठा नहीं टेस्ट किया था.
Perfect sugar.
इसमें ये reduced milk डालते हो?
ये इधर जो चाय का दुकान हम ये इधर विलेजेस का मिल्क आता है ना, वही डालते हैं.
तो लेकिन वो मिल्क को गाढ़ा करते हो?
मिल्क अच्छा ये कराते हैं.
उबालते हो उसको? उबाल के
पकाते हैं. 10 to 8 liters हो जाएगा. 8 liters होएगा. इसके बाद इसमें मिल्क को ऐड चावल सब डाल के ये घर पे बनता है.
ये घर पे बनता है?
जी जी.
रेसिपी किसका है? अम्मी का है? अम्मी का रेसिपी है. दूध कम, कड़क चाय है.
सोने भैया
कड़क चाय. When you're on your way to Chennai, stop by at Vani Ambadi. Do look up my last video on Amedia Hotel. Of course, अब तो एकदम facelift हुआ है इसका. It's become very posh. But the food is still the same. And Zishan Mia is still the same. His brothers. So जो प्यार मोहब्बत से जो आपको खिलाते हैं खाना, वो बदला नहीं है. बस बढ़ गया है. प्यार मोहब्बत और बड़ा है. So when you're here, definitely taste the gravies, the curries. Don't forget the quail fry
And biryani.
and the biryani.
Keema.
Wood fry
Don't forget
biryani.
the keema.
And
Don't forget the keema.
the keema.
Yeah.
और जो आज आपने वो गुर्दे के साथ उसका वो गुर्दे का चर्बी दिया, वो तो पिघल जाता है ना. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो नली का जो मैरो, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? नली का जो अंदर क्या होता है? नली. गुद्दू. हाँ, गुद्दू जैसा है वो. तो वही फैट वो काकोरी में डालते हैं, वो नरमी के लिए. So if you are here at
You don't need a shake.
Vani Ambadi or driving by, you know, look them up. If you want to just collect the food on the highway, call them ahead. I'll put their numbers in the description here, and you can always order. And they will deliver on the highway as well if you don't want to come all the way into Vani Ambadi town.
बहुत थैंक यू सर. फिर आइए सर इंशाल्लाह.
Thank you very much.
हाँ जी सर, बहुत खुशी हुआ है.
मेरे को भी बहुत खुशी हुआ.
जी जी जी.
और भी बड़े आपका और तरक्की करना.
इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर ज़रूर सर. That tells you you're in Tamil Nadu. And I think on that note, we will close this video right here. Hope you enjoyed this ride, this extended Sunday morning ride.